everybody having a ball. Until the fellas start name calling. And the girls respond to the call. I hear a poor one shout out, who let the dogs out? 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 I see the damn people had a ball cause Billy Founders get out. Get back Gruffy, bust Gruffy, get back you flea infested mongrel. Who let